Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to farm fast crowns. So I'm gonna use this deck to play the sudden death challenge, and it is ideal to have your troops max because this is level 15 cap. So let's try a battle. The good thing about this is if you win, you get 4 crowns, and if you lose, you get 2 crowns. So there are 2 ways. Either you keep on losing to get continuous 2 crowns, or you can win fast and get 4 crowns. So if you notice that your opponent is pretty good and it takes you too long to win, just let your opponent win. So you can easily get 2 crowns. Like this. He has a hard counter, so yeah. You can decide to just quit this game and let him take your tower like this. I think that I'm gonna lose this, so I can easily just let him take my tower, but for the sake of this video, I'll try to win. Oh, guess I got one. Okay, it's okay if you lose because you get 2 crowns. So I think if you are under leveled, it is better to just use all spell and activate the opponent's king tower so that he knows that you're giving up. So you can easily get 2 crowns in below than 1 minute. Let's try again, guys, if you can win. If not, it's okay, we can still get 2 crowns. So he's using an E-Barbs deck. It is better to use the decks that it can easily take 1 tower. So I'm using this balloon deck. I often see people using cycle decks, so that is effective. So if you're planning to win the challenge, it is better to just use those types of decks if you're pretty good at cycle. Wow, he's using Wizard, Ewiz. Oh, yes, Valkyrie as well. So I'm not gonna break through. But let's see if we can. Oh, I'm not sure if this is a good play. I just need. Okay. I still need 2 more balloon hits to win. So as you can see, if you're trying to win, it takes around 2 minutes. It's better to just surrender, but it depends on your pride. If you don't want to lose like me, I'm gonna try to win until I win. If not, then it's okay, you'll get 2 crowns. So he's saying good luck, so I think this is a win for us. See? So that's on 4 crowns for us, but it took us 2 minutes. So if you just zap the opponent's king tower, try to lose, you will be winning. Winning 2 crowns in less than a minute. So, or you can just press the battle and go AFK. You can also do that if you're busy. So that's it, guys. And I've upgraded my sudden death wins badge. Thank you for watching. Good luck in grinding these crowns for this elite wildcards 1000 or the wizard emote if you still don't have it. Bye bye.